Hello, this is Melanie from Mel's Joyful Nursery, and I have a box. This is my second ever box opening. The first one I ever had was Walter, and this is Oakley from Candace that has Betty Bundle's nursery. And I'm outside on the porch. It lets you guys hear the birds, and we have some severe storms coming this afternoon. But me and Oakley's going to the cabin, and I'll do a video with him at the cabin. So let's get started. Like I said, this is my only second box opening ever. Oh, I know who that is. Candace, that's gorgeous. It's little Walter. Okay, congrats on your new toddler. I don't know if that picture is so cute. That looks just like Walter. You do hear all the birds. Aww. Look how cute. It's a magnet, and it's made out of wood. It's a little turtle. He's going on my refrigerator. Thanks, Candace. We got one bird singing away, don't we? He's enjoying his... There's a peacock. Don't know if you've ever heard peacocks, but they're extremely loud. This is my box. Look at here. Let's dig in. How about that? Alright. We got his Afghan. It's a lap, like a lap size. I like that colors, Candace. Look at that. The black and turquoise. See, this is my birthstone color. My birthday color. How about that? Alright. Let's see. I see him. He is packed in here. We got some diapers. I got some. These are twos. Yeah. I got some that I had gotten from Walgreens. They had a sale one time. And we got his whale pacifier that goes with the... I'll show you, has a whale pajamas. We have the green one. I see... crocheted hat. Look how cute. I like that. Candace, you can really crochet. And he's got his little booties here. Or here's the other one. And another pacifier. And white pair of socks, a blue pair of socks, and a gray pair of socks. I'm glad you sent those because I don't have that many. Oh, that's a cool pacifier. It's a nook. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Don't want to lose anything because the dogs will get them if I drop something. They're not out yet, but I'll let them out when we go to the cabin. They're very hyper. Good heavens, I can't even pick him up. Oh, good God. I've never had a toddler. So it's my first one. Oh, look at that. How cute. Brown and blue. There's a romper. Doesn't have any feet. That's football season. Coming up soon. We have some pants. Okay. I just can't believe how big he is. He may just have to sleep with us tonight. How about that? He might be scared on his first night away from home. Yeah. Yeah, baby, sleep with us. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. I have no idea where Lulu went. I run my cats off because they're nosy. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh my gosh, Candace, he is heavy. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling for tennis shoes. I feel tennis shoes. Look at this, guys. Look at my arm, how big this package is. Wow, that is so cute, that ribbon. Shoot, let's get started. Aww. Candace had made these for him. His pants, yellow shirt. Candace, thanks for all the clothes. You just don't know. Well, see, I told you I didn't have anything for him to sleep in. But it's so hot here. Just a onesie and a diaper, that's all he needs. Major Cutie, that was her favorite. Because he won't be wearing this for a while because it is so hot here. It's probably 85. Now here's the whale and outfit here with the whale pacifier. If you hear a bumblebee, they're everywhere. I just don't want them messing with my camera. You hear? I think he likes the camcorder. These are carpenter bees. And this is my very first one. I've never had one of these. This is so cool. It would be easy to make. It's a lot of work though with all the tags. Priscilla, come here. Get on camera. My cats are spastic. Oh, definitely I needed onesies for sure. I don't know where that bee is at. But, oh, another sleeper. I needed it. Aww. It's a camouflage little Jeep. Ain't that cute? Oh my gosh, I'm about to die. My heart's racing. Here's a sock, but it got away from the others. Oh, look at there. Got some fleece pants. Oh, and he was always wearing this Mickey Mouse shirt. Oh, that's cute. The bumblebee's driving me nuts. I think he's below me. Yeah, I think he is. Alright. Like I said, this is my second box opening, so a little new at this. Mommy got you wrapped good. Get out of this paper. Good heavens, he's huge. Woohoo! Golly. Here it is. Hey, thanks for all the bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. He is humongous. Look at that. You guys, look at my arm. Look at that. Oh my God. I gotta see his feet. Feet. He is so fat. Oh my God, what a foot. Oh, Candace, he is huge. Golly, you have to go in the stroller. I don't think I could carry him. How do you mothers do it that have real children? I don't know how you carry kids and a diaper bag and a car seat. And gosh, he is humongous. I just can't wait. Lulu, Lulu will be scared of him for sure. Alright, Mommy's little bear. Oh, I collect teddy bears. Candace knows that. Look at that belly. Oh, his hands are huge. Goodness. Look at that. How cute. Candace, you did a good job on painting him. He looks good. Yeah. He looks good. Did a really good job. Candace has his painted for a while. He's cute. I just can't believe how much he weighs. Oh my goodness. He's got to go on the scales. Okay. Dun dun dun. It's a diaper head. I'm sorry, I'm being silly, but I'm so excited. I'm shaking. No, I'm not just kidding, but I am shaking. I'm so excited. He is so heavy. Oh my goodness, he's adorable. You ready? I'm a diaper head. Let's see. I always see these on videos, so I've never done this before. I've never done it. Okay. Pumpkin, where's the other one? Pumpkin. You ready? You guys see him before I do. Oh, look at them eyes. He is so cute. Oh, look at that mouth. And of course, he has red hair. My whole family's red-headed. On my mom's side, my mom's red-headed. Her sister, her brother was. Oh, look at me wanting to brush it. It's painted. I never had painted hair. Look at that. Is he happy or what? You happy to be home? Oh, I gotta love him. Oh, give him a big hug. Yeah, he come a long way. He did. He come a long way. You are one heavy little man here. Yeah. You are heavy. That's what he looks like with a pacifier. Oh boy. He's so cute. Look at that. He's adorable. Those eyes. Wow. Let me see. I've got one of these in the newborn size. So we have to dress him up alike. The boys. Oh, bumblebees. Let me see. Let's get up here. Look at those. Can you see them? The green. So that's a pretty green. It's a typical redhead with green eyes. My mother has blue eyes. My hair used to be really, really blonde, almost white. Then it turned a little brown, and now I have some red in it. So my hair is all kind of colors. But that's him. Look at that face. Aw. I love him, Candace. Thank you. Let me adopt him. He's adopted. Yeah. You have a forever home, don't you? I think he wants to go play in the cabin. How about that? Yeah. I just love that head. I never had painted hair. But Candace, you did a good job. Yep. So thank you for watching our box opening. And I just love this smile. Said, hey, I made it. I come a long way. He did. He's so sweet. Alrighty. I gotta clean up my mess. I threw packing bubble wrap everywhere on the porch. So you guys see for my next video, we're going to start doing maybe the creek and stuff like that. Oh, are you teething? Oh, you got 2 teethies. You see his 2 teeth? Okay. Look for our videos, our adventures. Love and hugs to everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.